We've all received at least one suspicious or scam message by email, SMS, or indeed WhatsApp. Fraudsters are increasingly using these methods to collect your personal information. Sometimes the emails contain links which direct you to a website where they capture your personal information. This information is then used to compromise your security and utilize your bank accounts or your credit cards for malicious transactions. These messages look very genuine, and anyone could fall victim to them. So how do you actually prevent them? The first thing that you need to do is to check the nature of the email or the SMS that you receive. Is it marked urgent? Is it something that is prompting you to take action quickly? The reason why that's important is because fraudsters are relying on you to kind of have the culture of fear built into you, because you don't want something bad to happen to a transaction or indeed for your accounts to be blocked, etc. So they instill that level of fear, prompting you to react very quickly. If this is the case, how do you check to see if these messages or emails are really genuine? First off, if it's an email, is your name mentioned in the email? Is your email ID visible, or are you on the BCC list? Next, does the sender's email ID correspond to the sender that you are expecting it from? The way you can check that is to actually right-click on the email and then look at the actual underlying email address. As I said earlier, is the email marked urgent? Again, if it's urgent, make sure that you are indeed responding to an urgent email or a genuine email. Are there any suspicious links or attachments? Always be very careful if there are links in these emails or attachments, because they can contain malicious software or malware that could be installed on your device. Once you've asked yourself these questions and you've answered them, please remember that your bank or financial institution would never actually ask you for personal details, any of your security-related information, or indeed the one-time passwords that a number of banks use today to confirm transactions that you are conducting online. Avoid clicking on links that you receive in emails or indeed through SMSs, because you never know, they could contain malicious software or, as I said, malware. Review your bank statements on a regular basis, and indeed also the SMSs the genuine SMSs that you get from your bank for transactions that may have been carried out on your account. And if you suspect, or you recognize, or you don't recognize, I should say, transactions, then please contact your bank immediately. Finally, your privacy does matter. If you suspect fraudulent or unusual activity on your bank account or indeed your credit card, then please contact your bank immediately and report, so that the appropriate action can be taken and we can protect each other.